Hello everyone. So here are the activities which I did with my 3-year-old who is turning 4 in October next month. This is not a workbox, but these are the activities which she actually did out of the workbox. She's not into structured activities more as of now, or probably I'm not able to give her much challenging work. She writes drawing, scribbling on her own diary, writing on her own diary. If I tell her to write something, she doesn't do it. So that's why these are the actual activities which she did on a workbox. Rest she was just involved in her own work. So just wanted to share what we did. So this is less or more. There's a button on which I put this mark, and these are the beads. It is Montessori inspired, but it's not Montessori color coded, but it works for us. Just to tell her like 1 2 3 first she arranged them sequence wise, and then looking at which is bigger number, and then though she knows in her mind that 5 is bigger, but looking at this one, it was additional mind entrance, entering a new concept to the mind. You see, 5 looks bigger than 4, or 5 looks bigger than 3. So in brain simulation or whatever you say, but this really clicked with her and she loved doing this activity. A DIY, a cookie box, put a magnet at the back, cut it into different pieces, and she has to put together and do it. Make the puzzle. Complicated one, believe me, it has some 9 to 10 pieces. Next one, this is a printable. If you, I don't know, I got it from Tanvi's mommy and Dia. She had shared these printables in her activities. So these are the dollar store blocks, simple wooden blocks, and these are the complex structures. So if you remember, I had similar activity, but the structures are pretty normal. Okay, not too complicated. These are really complicated ones, for a 3-year-old, but she did remarkably well. There are so many, and I think only 2 or 3 she could not do. Rest she did remarkably well. So it's like the day I had this activity in her kit, she did this activity for 1 hour all by herself. I had to go and review and corrected 1 or 2 blocks which she done, but otherwise she just started making her structures. So that day, for the whole schooling time, we just did this activity. So that's how our schooling went. But this amazing one, this is making 10. Okay, so you can say it's kind of addition, but for her it's not addition. So we have to make 10. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. So how many more you need? So 6 7. DIY, I have taken pom-poms with a magnet below it just to create a fun factor for the child. So like that she has to put 4 more. So there are 10 making, 5 making, 9 making, and 7 making. Simple one. She has to see how many do we need to make more. Again, this is from mommy and Dia's video. She had shared these printables, and these are amazing ones. So these are more of a 2D structures. This was 3D, this is 2D structure. She has to put in the flat. So actually you should have a 1 by 1 centimeter blocks, but I didn't have it. So just to add the color things to excite the child, and she is into making structures, so she made the structures using these ones, and they are confusing. Okay, you try doing it, it's very very confusing. So like there is a gap here and there's a gap here, so she didn't do very well in them. Like these simple structures were easy, but where there is this kind of block empty space involved, she needed help. So probably the greener ones are difficult versions and yellow are easy. So yellow she did remarkably well, and green I need to help her. So probably it will be back to a workbox, but she loved playing with these blocks. And then last but not the least, this is called compound words. I know this is not age appropriate in a way, but I use it in a logical activity, See, like tooth and brush. She doesn't read, okay, after, because they're pictures, so it works for us. So, toothbrush, what it is? Toothbrush, like that. So it really, engaged her very well, thinking that, 2 different words can make a third word, which is altogether a different object. So it really worked with us. So we did not take all the pieces. It's either from Frank or from Creative from Amazon India. We did not take all the pieces out. These are some of the objects which it really recognizes. You have to recognize these things, right, to make a new word. So there was something very complicated which she has not seen. She doesn't know how to name them. But like straw, she has seen in India. Cherry, berry, she has seen. So strawberry. So it really, really was a big hit with her. She just was mesmerized at how the two words join and make a new one. So we loved these activity out of a workbox. We actually did only these ones. In rest, she just scribbling, drawing, doing workbooks, and crawlier. That's it. But go ahead, see if your kid also like it and enjoy it. And happy parenting. And please don't forget to subscribe if you like these ones. Bye bye.